Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your OS build and launcher. This matters because menus differ across versions. Once done, make a quick backup or screenshot of your home layout so you can restore icons if needed. Now open Settings and jump straight to Home, Display, or the specific launcher app settings. Tap the Recommendations or Suggestions area. You want to locate the toggle or menu that controls content shown on the home screen. Next, focus on stopping the sources. Disable the main suggestions or recommended for you toggle in Home/Launcher settings so the system stops surfacing content. Then inspect individual apps that push suggestions, open app settings, and turn off home suggestions or notifications for each offender. If recommendations still appear, clear the launcher app cache or data to reset its stored suggestions, and make sure to reboot the device so changes. Finish by rebooting and checking the home screen for any remaining recommendations. This confirms toggles and cache clears took effect. If items persist, uninstall updates or reinstall your launcher, or try an alternative launcher to verify whether the issue is system or app-specific. Make sure to test after each change. If nothing helps, reset launcher settings, and only as a last resort consider a factory reset. Remember, reset launcher settings before a full wipe to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.